Okay, in this quick little video, I'm just going to introduce you to the Arduino Blink program code, and then we're just going to look at how we can play around with that. Alright, so the first thing that you need to take a look at is plugging in your Arduino. When you plug in your Arduino, you should see the little light come on next to the on message, and we're good to go. So the first thing to do here is to select the Arduino menu. Then you want to go down to File, Examples here, go across to Basics. Now the cool thing is there's lots of examples here that you can play around with as soon as you get the Advanced kit, but for the basic kit we're just going to click the Blink option here, and notice that the Blink code opens up for us here. I'm just going to close the other one, and we've just got the Blink code running here now. First of all, you can see here that a little slash and a star lets the person write a little bit about the code. So these grey sections are about the code, and these orange and black and blue parts here are all code themselves. Now the good thing about these two slashes is that this will tell us about the code itself and what each part of the code does. The first thing to notice is that pin mode 13 is the output pin, or is set to output. Then the code will run a loop where it puts the output as high, meaning it will turn the LED on. It'll wait 1 second, then it will turn the LED to low, meaning it will turn it off, wait 1 second, and go back through this loop again. So what we want to do is we just want to check that we've got everything sorted. So go quickly to Tools, make sure our board here is set to the Uno, which is the board that I have plugged in. Now you'll need to go down to port. I've got it set to the USB because it's on the USB. Now I had a lot of trouble with this on my Windows computer, and I had to install some drivers that I downloaded with the software, and the drivers basically tell the computer how to convert the information to the USB. So you may need to run those drivers on your computer if it's Windows. Okay, alright, so we've got that now. All what I want to do is run the upload to my board, and it's uploading now. Uploading's done, and I can actually see, without plugging anything into the board at all, I can see that there's a little LED that's flashing on for 1 second and off. The little LED that's built onto the board is basically an LED that runs here through pin number 13. So what you need to do then is you're going to hook up the breadboard and add an LED to pin 13, and run the Blink program through the external breadboard and through an external LED. There's a circuit diagram below on how to do that. So set your breadboard up, get that working, and once you've done that, you'll be on to the next challenge. Thanks very much.